y'all, what's up and welcome back. So today I've got a little bitty haul for you guys. I placed an order with Ulta a little while ago and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. A lot of this stuff is actually going to be for the NYX Face Awards. I wanted to try and enter it this year. I was going to try and do it last year and then at the last minute I chickened out, which I'm bad for waiting till the last minute to do things anyway, so it's probably for the best that I chickened out anyways. But hopefully this year I actually go through with it and enter, and if I win, awesome, and if I don't, well, at least I know I tried this time. So if you guys want to see what is in this little box, then just keep on watching. Alright, so here is what the contents of the box look like. So I'm just going to start grabbing stuff from the top. Alright, so straight away, I can tell you something is definitely not right. My bag came and it's all blue because one of the eyeshadows exploded, which that's okay. That happens in transport. I understand that. I'm not mad about it. It hurts my heart a little bit, but I think maybe I can fix it if it's still inside the packaging. I'm not really sure though, because whenever I pulled out the first color, which is this hot pink shade right here, the color blue is actually all over it. So I don't know how damaged the blue one is going to be, but I'm hoping it's not super bad. So this is the next color that I got. This one is hot fuchsia. This is just more of like a purple color. I think this is going to be really, really pretty. And then I picked up a black one because you always need black in your makeup kit. Just is something that I find always comes in handy for everything. However, I think this one is the one that I'm most excited for because I've never had a giant pan of red like this unless it's a blush, and even then it's not like this hot red color. This is going to be so much fun to play around with and I cannot wait to give it a try. So this is the green one, and as you can see it's completely covered in blue. I'll definitely have to clean this up whenever I get done here, but this is just an unboxing. These things happen sometimes. Yeah. So here's the blue one that was busted up all inside the bag. I'm definitely going to try to salvage it because there's still quite a bit of product in there. And usually if you just mix it with some alcohol, it will go back to its normal state. So that may be our next video, is me trying to fix some products with some rubbing alcohol. So if you want to see that, then just make sure to stick around. And I was wrong about that orange one before. That was actually orange, not red. So this one is the hot red shade. And then the last color that I got was hot yellow, and you guys, this is another one that I'm just so excited to use. I've always wanted to try Butter Cupcake from Sugar Pill, but I've not done that yet, so I feel like this is fairly close, maybe. And then the last thing in that little bag was my Fit Me foundation. I actually have a Fit Me foundation, but it is completely the wrong shade, so it never gets used, and I actually wanted to try out one that is my shade to see if I would like it better, because I've never actually got to try this foundation out in my shade, so I never knew if I liked it. I only used it for Halloween tutorials. So now we get to see if I actually like this foundation or not. Now that I've got all of those out of there, I am just going to quickly clean up my hands and clean those up, and I will be right back. Alright, so you guys know that I love a good glow, and I've never tried out the Physicians Formula highlighter. This one is in the shade Pearl, and I wanted to try it out. This will definitely be something we try out in like a first impressions video, and see how we like it, because I love their bronzer and I love their blush. So I just want to see how their highlighter is too. And then you guys know these are my favorite sponges. I actually have never tried out these or this one, but the orange ones are my absolute favorite. And for the price that this thing was, it wasn't much cheaper to just buy two of the complexion sponges. So I just went ahead and bought this little kit right here so that I could try everything out. It says that there's two Miracle complexion sponges. They're shaped to create the perfect base and build coverage where needed. That I agree with 100%. Those are the ones I use. They're awesome. The smaller ones are Miracle Mini Eraser Sponges. It says these little miracles help sweep away your makeup mishaps with soft, flexible foam that helps pick up any type of makeup, especially around the eyes. Use damp to blend harsh lines or dry to pick up makeup. And then the pink one is a Miracle Sculpting Sponge. It says that it creates shadows or highlight your favorite facial features. So that's awesome too. I'm very glad that I actually picked this up. I've wanted to pick something like this up for a while now to try more products from Real Techniques, and I don't know why I haven't, but now I got them. And then I actually finally picked up another one of my Instant Age Rewind concealers from Maybelline. This is one of my all-time favorite concealers. It works so well. If you guys have never tried this out, I highly suggest it. It is very full coverage. It spreads very nicely. It works as a good eyeshadow base. It's just a really, really, really good concealer. And then I went ahead and picked this guy up too because I've never tried out these brushes before. This is the Real Techniques sculpting set. There is what it looks like. I think that the buffer brush right up here looks very, very promising. I really wanted to try that out and see how it's going to work out. And then it says there's a brush cup which keeps them organized on your counter. Huh, I didn't even know that it came with a brush cup, but that's really cool. So there's a little bonus feature for you. That's really awesome. And I love Sam and Nick from here on YouTube. I think their channel is awesome. I mean, I've never met them in person, but they seem like really awesome people. So yeah, anytime that I can support people who I find to be a very good influence or anything like that, I definitely want to do that. And that is everything that I picked up. I'm really excited to try out all of these things. Some of them I've tried before, some of them I have not. We will definitely have to do a video using all of these products. I've actually already got my makeup on today. I did a very bronzy kind of glowy look, so if you want a tutorial on that, just let me know and I'll absolutely do that for you. But the only thing that kind of bummed me out was the blue eyeshadow, but that's not really that big of a deal. That stuff happens and I can fix it. So that is another video that will be coming. So if anything, this is just a opportunity for another video. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you as always for watching. If you've not already, I hope you loved this video and hit that subscribe button and become a member of our family, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye y'all.